Hello class, I hope you all are doing good and are very healthy too. So today we will continue the chapter Regional Economic Development. As until now we have done with development, the planning and the planning region, and also with the Haldia industrial belt. Today we will do with Chhattisgarh. So Chhattisgarh is a newly formed state on 1st of November 2000 and is considered to be the 26th state of India. Chhattisgarh was carved out of Madhya Pradesh, which earlier was one unified state. This state is bordered by Uttar Pradesh in its north, to its west is Madhya Pradesh, to its east is Jharkhand and Odisha. To its south it is bounded by Andhra Pradesh. The state is extended to an area of 1,36,034 square kilometer. Its latitudinal extension is 18 degree to 24 degree north with a difference of 6 degree, and its longitudinal value or longitudinal extension is from 80 degree east to 84 degree east with a difference of 4 degree. This state is very well developed and is very rich in minerals because it has its close proximity to Chota Nagpur region, that is Chota Nagpur Plateau, which in India is considered to be the storehouse of minerals. As in form of mining as one of the important activity that takes place in the state, you will find that in the state there are near about 150 mines, of which 64 mines is of coal, 36 is limestone mining areas, 18 is of dolomite, 12 is for iron ore, 10 for bauxite, and remaining 10 is for others. Out of this, what we see with the minerals that is been mined here or quarrying takes place, we can make up that this state is industrially ahead, with the coals providing cheapest form of energy and iron ore making up the heavy metal industries. It is evident that this place has industrially grown. So now we will discuss about each one of them in details. So first we will talk about the coal. So coal, as we see in Chhattisgarh, as we already discussed that there are 64 coal mines in Chhattisgarh, hence it makes the state to be the largest producer in the country, with a total of 114 million tons been produced as per the data of 2011-2012, and this is the 21% of the total produce in the country. The major producing region in Chhattisgarh is Surguja and Korea districts. There are many small centers within these districts, out of which Tatapani Ramkela is one important coal mining region of Surguja district. With 250 square kilometer extended area of this coal mines, they have 5 seams, but the coal produced here is of inferior quality. Inferior quality means the carbon content in the coal is less. While that in Jhilmili coal mining region, which is extended to 170 square kilometers, it also has 5 seams, but the quality of the coal is slightly better than as compared to the Tatapani Ramkela region. Apart from these two, the most important producers of Chhattisgarh region is Koraba district, which is extended to 500 square kilometer, making it the largest coal mining region in the state and also the largest producer of coal in Chhattisgarh state. It has a total produce of 365 million tons as a total produce within the state, and it is also equally so important. The Koraba mining region of coal is so important that it provides coal to the Bhilai steel plant, which is in a much cheaper rate. Coal is considered to be the cheapest form of energy, so this is mostly are in demand with the heavy metal industries, out of which Bhilai Steel Plant is one such. Apart from providing coal to Bhilai Steel Plant, the Koraba district coal mines the coals are also supplied from Koraba district mines to Koraba thermal plant with a manufacturing unit of 300 megawatt energy resources. So this is why Koraba district becomes very important in terms of coal production. Now coming to iron ore, with iron ore production, the state produces almost 23%, which is out of the country. 23% of the country's total production of iron ore is mined in Chhattisgarh, and making it the second largest producer of iron ore in the country as per 2016, next to Odisha. The major producing iron ore regions of Chhattisgarh is Bastar and Durg district, which togetherly manufactures 4,064 million tons, and the iron ore produced in this state or this region is of high grade. That is, that the iron content in the iron ore is of almost 65%. With less impurities and more of iron content, the iron ore of this state becomes of very high grade, and it remains on very high demand. There is also the district producing region of iron ore in Chhattisgarh, of which Bailadila is one very important. It is so important because we consider it to be the largest mechanized iron ore mine in Asia. The Bailadila iron ore mining region is the largest mechanized mining of Asia, with a total produce of 1,422 million tons. And it is not just the production that Bailadila makes. What is so important is that the iron quality is so good in this region, so that is why there is high demand of the iron ore produced in Bailadila regions. The chief importers of Bailadila iron ore are China and Japan, and there are also many other countries, out of which China and Japan has always placed a high demand of iron ore produced in Chhattisgarh state. Apart from Bailadila, iron ore is also mined in Dali Rajhara district of Chhattisgarh state, with a total produce of 120 million tons, of which the iron ore quality is also of superior type, with almost 68 to 69% of the ore contains iron with very less impurities. So thank you very much, class. I hope today you get to learn about the mining sectors of Chhattisgarh. We will see you in the next class with further details. Thank you. You all have a good time. Stay safe and stay home.